what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jerryca. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So today is like a best friend day. I can show you?
No.
Anyway, she's back on the channel, guys.
I just said no.
Anyways, she's back on the channel, guys.
You don't respect my privacy.
Yeah, she looks good. So she's taking me on a spa day, then she's feeding my stomach. Oh, I'm getting spoiled today, you guys. So I decided to show you guys how everything is gonna go if I can. I don't know how this spa thing is gonna work out.
I feel super high.
Guys, so now we are, I don't know if you guys can see me because it's like a lot of sun.
Oh, walking vlog.
I thought it was crossing.
How we gonna cross right here, Jerryca?
You don't have to be so mean.
I'm not being mean.
I thought it was my day. I don't like this.
Alright, bye. What's wrong with you?
But yeah, guys, so we're about to go to Bayside and get something to eat. Bayside's literally right there. And I don't know if you guys could see me. Oh my gosh, she put so much lotion on me. I feel so hot. Can we cross? Mommy?
I was just saying, Jerryca, it wouldn't have made love.
Can we cross, Mommy, please? You want me to hold your hands? So, what are we gonna eat? What are we gonna eat? Alright guys, so now we're at Bayside. I look like a glazed donut, and that's because with the massage, she gave us a facial, so my face is literally glistening, but it's whatever. So we're waiting to be seated outside, and we're at Hard Rock. Yeah, we got a little sandwich, child. Didn't really have much. Your sandwich actually was good. I forgot yours. So we're at that Tuesdays. She put a shot. Thank you. And we're getting a shot too. Make sure our date's simple.
I can't wait to get that shirt.
Ready? Okay. Alright, y'all.
Alright, we're doing a challenge, y'all. Ready? Set, go.
You gotta do it regular cups, cause I would have got to eat that. I'm just saying. This is the type of drink that you drink slowly.
Oh my
You
god.
let it simmer. You don't speed it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't rush it. This is supposed to be girls' day, y'all. And this is getting out of hand. He making the shot. Little shot? Why the cup so little?
One shot.
That's what I'm saying.
Recording nothing.
Thank you. Y'all do not mind my hair, please. Disclaimer, do not mind my hair. Cause when I did that facial, y'all, she literally like today's flat tire day, guys. So I just got in a flat tire. I just got caught in with the flat tire, and I'm literally driving, y'all, 5 miles per hour, and we getting there. But I think I'm gonna catch this yellow light down there. I'm trying. I think I'm like, we're driving real slow. I just wanted to show y'all that, you know, we all go through some things.
Isn't the gas station on the right side?
All right, hey vlog, I'm back. It's like 1 in the morning right now, but y'all, look how flat this shit is. This is supposed to be a donut tire. I don't know what it's called. You know how to change a tire?
Today.
So we have to use a donut tire to change a tire. Cause my tires are just going through a lot of stuff right now. But let me pop the trunk.
Hi Lola.
Yeah, she called you ugly. Guys, so we made it home safely. We finished fixing the tire. I'm gonna go get it fixed tomorrow morning, so I'm just gonna have to call off of work or go to work late. Y'all know I ain't gonna call off. I need to check. But yeah, this was just a short little clip to insert into the little vlog, a life vlog, a week in my life. We got a flat tire, and I learned how to change a tire today, so that's a plus. I gained something. So hey, what's up, you guys? I look crazy. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. But the last clip that I know you guys seen was I had caught a flat tire. So I know y'all seen I caught a flat tire. Went to go see my friend Brianna. So on our way back, I caught a flat tire. The thing is, you guys, I already knew my tires was not like the best, and that I was gonna have to go and change my tire and fix my tire. But if you know me, you know, like, I'm not calling off work. Like, I'm not missing work unless like I'm on my deathbed, and even then I'm still gonna ask, can I clock in? But but yeah, like, I don't like missing work. I don't like calling out. Even if I'm sick, like, I stick it through, because there's money to make, period. So I was gonna do it this weekend. I was just gonna handle up on all my car stuff this weekend. But yeah, my car had other plans, so I said I was gonna go to work late today, but looks like I'm gonna call out, because now I went to the tire place, and when I was at the tire place, my car was not starting. And I'm just like, what the hell is going on in this facility? It's like my car is really giving up on me, and I'm like, sis, I need you for a couple of more years. Like, can you just pull through just a little bit? So right now I'm about to go to back to the tire place. So I might as well just get a car wash, because my car is dirty as well. Like, everything I was gonna do this weekend, I'm gonna just do it today and just get it out the way and be done with it. Oh, I just don't want to hear this price. Like, I just hope they work out something with me, because this a bitch. I can't. But I look tired. I am tired. Don't mind my nails, because I'm supposed to be getting my nails done next week. on our way to Tire Plus. So peace out, y'all.
Ready?
So guys, I am at a bird just pooped on me. A bird just pooped. So we parked the car at a garage. If you're from Miami, you know it's hard to find parking in downtown, so. Our food is ready. We got the tacos, the dipping sauce, and we got a margarita. Seconds, guys.
We know.
You gonna order seconds? No, you want quesadilla? I want to think and trade the taco for chicken. Yeah, I'm so full.
You vlogging?
Yeah. I'm so full and my head hurts. And we gotta walk.
So you definitely gotta walk it off.
I'm black. Oh, now y'all can see me. Yeah, I'm full. And now we gotta walk to the car. They locked the gate. So now we came right on time. Thank you.
I was gonna start crying.
We came right on time.
So like it's closed on weekend? You said on the weekend? On 8 o'clock.
Oh. So we literally came right on time because as we were coming, wow, we really came right on time because they locked the garage.
It's Jericho fault. She's not talking hard enough to get my car.
Bitch, you please.
We said Monday for real.
But hey, we parked for free.
One thing about me, I'ma get screwed over.
But we parked for free though, so that's a plus.
We got to pick it up on Monday.
Y'all, I swear, what? Kinley started speaking Creole right here. Once the man put on his mask and it had the Haitian flag, my dog, you would have thought she was from Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Come with please. Please. Please.
Girl, I was about to say.
If y'all don't understand that, that means like, please, like, you're my people. I'm your people. Like, don't do this to me. But yeah, he ended up opening it for us. Honestly, I feel like that's kind of dumb, but whatever. At least close the entry, but then they could probably pass it that way. I mean, the food was good. I would rate it.
I think a 7.
Yeah, I was gonna say a 7 or 8.
Jericho, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, peace out, y'all. Hey, what's up, you guys? Sorry, the lighting is just. So let's just get straight into the video. Let's get straight to the nitty-gritty. First and foremost, so I do my own makeup. Do a little razzle dazzle, nazzle tazzle blazzle. But the thing is, I do not know how to do my own eyeshadow. So I went ahead and I went to Ulta and I got a super inexpensive eyeshadow palette from Revolution. It's the Reloaded eyeshadow palette, and it's in the colors Velvet Rose. So yeah, I just thought I would record me trying to do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna pull up some tutorials on my phone. Surprisingly, there isn't a lot of makeup tutorials for this eyeshadow in particular, so hopefully it looks nice. So yeah guys, by the way, I'm wearing my friend's brand. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Her clothing line, Brown Skin Beauty. Make sure you guys shop her clothing brand. She just released another section or segment on her brand for guys, so make sure you guys check that out and subscribe to her YouTube channel at Brown Skin Beauty, because I just love the quality of this shirt. It's super stretchy. Not only that, like, I love brown on a brown skin girl. Okay, it gives the girls yeah. All right, let's get to the video. From the videos I was watching, they start off with what is this, a concealer? I'm tripping. So if you guys see I'm looking down, it's because I have my mirror. So better.
Ready?
She's telling me put this one, y'all. So put this one, the tan transition.
Go get 'em.
Come on.
See you.
No, 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 no.
Shit is hard. Oh my gosh.
Face like one, yeah. Just the bad girls like purple bags. Brooklyn Bay with a birthday, yeah.
Yo, what? I'm just gonna start over, but y'all see this is not easy. This is really hard. This is really hard. I'm just gonna look at some other videos and we're just gonna keep up with this daily, because this is crazy. All right, peace out, y'all.